For thousands of years, milk has been an important foodstuff that has improved growth conditions for children, both as fresh milk or as a raw product. Milk is extremely important for the health of people all over the world. Milk is a natural product that should be treated carefully and correctly in order to achieve the quality. At S.A. Christensen, we have more than 60 years' experience in the development and production of durable, carefully prepared applications that ensure that the milk producer obtains more milk and better milk. No two people are the same, nor are milk producers. This is why we've developed many different types of milking parlours that can be easily adapted to suit definite needs, space, and future plans. As a workplace, the milking parlour with a raised platform has the great advantage that the milker can go direct into the parlour, and the elevating floor means that working height can be adapted individually. The parlour is a 30-degree herringbone type with 2x16 milking points and fast exit with a raise and lower boom, allowing a rapid milking process. In the tandem parlour, there is the advantage that each individual cow has its own place and is no way disturbed by other cows during milking. The cow is let out automatically, and the next cow can then take its place. Control can be semi-automatic or manual at each individual milking point. In this milking parlour with raised platform, view, light and breathing space have been created. The parlour is a 2x8 30-degree herringbone type, and the emphasis has been placed on both environment and function. Our prize-winning mastitis indicators are mounted at every milking point and give the milker a complete survey over potential udder inflammation in each individual cow. The mastitis indicator can be installed and used in all types of parlours, also in tied-up stalls where the indicator box is mounted on the remover. For many years, S.A. Christensen has developed milking units that make the work in tied-up stalls much easier. With the Uniline rail system, the amount of lifting is reduced considerably and milking can proceed simply and conveniently. A sound, space-saving solution is the 2x16 side-by-side milking parlour with fast exit, suitable for large herds. The polygon milking parlour, shown here as a 30-degree herringbone parlour divided into 4 batches, affords a huge capacity. The same can be said of the rotary milking parlour that can be built up in sizes from 20 to 50 places, both as a herringbone or as a side-by-side type. S.A. Christensen is constantly examining new technologies that can improve milking methods. Thus, our standalone mastitis indicator is an epoch-making product that gives milk producers totally new possibilities. The indicator can be installed in all types of milking units, both tied-up stalls and milking parlours of any manufacturer. And this means that, in principle, all producers can avail themselves of the enormous advantages of this system. And there are enormous advantages, because the mastitis indicator gives a warning of clinical mastitis breaking out between 1 and 4 days before it can be visually recognized in the milk. the milker can see which teat is affected, and the number of signals show at the same time how serious it is. Therefore, the milker can begin preventative treatment at an early stage. Because of the mastitis indicator, an inflammation in an udder can be nipped in the bud, which often saves having to treat with antibiotics. The middle diode indicates whether the cow has an increased temperature. In this milking parlour, a solution has been chosen using 2 pail milking machines with mastitis indicators. The one machine is used for cows that have calved recently and ensures a good start for the cow. The other machine is used for cows with clinical mastitis. The best thing is to have a mastitis indicator for each milking point, as this ensures that the entire herd is under constant observation. The secret behind the precise metering that can reveal inflammation in good time is S.A. Christensen's Uniflow 3M milking cluster, with sensitive sensors for each teat, the milk content in the milk throughout the entire mix. An increase is an indication that a mastitis infection is breaking out, and the mastitis indicator will immediately give a warning signal. In the unit with the Uniflow 3M milking cluster and the SAC management system, mastitis indication is included as an integral part of the total solution. The indication is shown on a screen and the data is automatically transmitted to the computer. S.A. Christensen regard milking as a complete process, where we are constantly working to create important production improvements in all sectors. Uniflow 3M is one of the results. This milking cluster is also available without sensors under the name Uniflow 3, an elegant milking cluster that is easy to handle. This digital SAC vacuum meter ensures that the milking unit always retains the correct vacuum, helps to improve milking, and can be installed in all types of unit. We have also developed a washing down unit that recycles the water from the milking unit. S.A. Christensen's motto is, anything that can be done better for the cow, the milk, and the milker must be done. Delicious!